Dirk here from Australian Ag. It's like a quick description on how a park brake assembly is working. So this is the same old John Deere 9570R. The park brakes is on the bottom of the transmission. If you have a look at articulation, it is typically in this area, which is locking the drive-through to the rear axle as well as the drive-through to the front axle. The park brake consists of friction plates and non-friction plates. So that's got a bit of brake material on it. The angle is a bit bad and this is a smooth one. So the plate is set into the housing in that area, and your friction plate typically goes over it like that. And the normal plate again goes in like this. Friction plate goes over it. You've got a specification of the thickness of this plate that you need to measure and inspect if it's not bent or damaged or worn away. So this is typically how it works. So once it's in position, typically like that. Just wipe it quickly, just hold on. Okay, so once it's in position, you end up having to put a piston on. Just to give you an idea, the one plate is locked to the shaft on the inside, the other one is locked to the housing on the outside, and you've got a piston and the follower which applies all through here, through the housing, pressurizes the plate which locks it in place, similar like the braking system. And the weight brakes on a tractor or any other equipment is working exactly the same. But that's it. Cheers for now.